In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll on a Facebook business page. To get started, open your web browser and go to a free polling website such as Pollmaker. This type of tool is useful because Facebook business pages don't always offer a built-in poll option in the same way personal profiles or groups sometimes do. Using an external polling link is a simple workaround that still lets your audience participate easily. Once the polling site loads, type in your poll question clearly so people instantly understand what you are asking. After that, add your custom answer choices. Try to keep the wording short and easy to scan, since most people will decide quickly whether they want to vote. When everything looks good, click Create Poll. The site will then generate a unique link for your poll. Copy that link, because you'll need it when creating your Facebook post. Next, open Facebook on the left side of the screen. Look under your shortcuts and select your business page. This makes sure you are posting as the page and not from a personal account. After that, look again to the left side and find more tools. From there, select Meta Business Suite. This is where Facebook gives you more control over business content and publishing options. Inside Meta Business Suite, go to the left side menu and select Content. This area helps you manage posts and other published material in one place. Then, in the top right corner, click Create a Post to begin a new post for your page. Now, under Post Details, click the three dots icon. From the menu that appears, select Link Preview. This step is important because it helps Facebook properly display the poll link in your post. Once that option is enabled, paste the poll link into the post composer. After the link is in place, write an engaging caption to encourage your audience to participate. Keep it friendly and direct, and let people know why their opinion matters. A clear call to action, such as inviting them to vote now, can help improve engagement. When your post looks the way you want, click Publish. Your poll post will then go live on your Facebook business page, and your audience can click the link to respond. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.